Hey everyone, and welcome back. Setting up Zendesk for customer support in 2026 starts with a clean configuration. Let me walk you through the essentials. First, go to Admin Center. Set up your company profile, time zone, and support email address. This is where customers will send their first messages. Next, configure your channels. Under Channels, add email, chat, or social media. This connects all customer conversations to one inbox. Now, set up ticket forms. Go to Objects Ticket Forms. Create forms for different issues like technical support or billing. This keeps tickets organized from the start. Then, define your ticket views. Under Workspaces, create views like unassigned tickets or urgent issues so agents always know what to work on next. Don't forget SS Setup service level agreements under Object Rules. Define targets like first reply time and how to escalate overdue tickets. Finally, invite your agents. Go to People, add users. Assign roles like Agent or Admin based on what they need to do. And that's it. In a few steps, you have a fully functional Zendesk setup ready to handle customer support. If you're setting up Zendesk, let me know what industry you're in the comments. See you in the next one.